You can vacuum it out.
Bro. So I'm about to vacuum it. Ugh. Bro, this is disgusting.
Hey, y'all hit them boys up. Bro, look at this side.
Bro,
It's
get
like
all
hella hair
get all that change, boy.
Bro, you need some washers? There's washers on this side. Fucking
Bro.
washers.
Jesus. No. Vacuumed everything out. We're just taping it. About to start painting. So let's see how this goes. Clap seats. I need seats bad. You know, anybody wants to sponsor, go ahead. So this is the first coat. I still got some parts up there I gotta get to. But I'm doing the rear seat delete, so doesn't even matter. I got a little bit on the bottom. And I'm getting the metal door panels, painting them black. I just need to get the dash. So if anybody has a dash and a center console, or you know who sells a good one, I don't know, send it to me. Because I'm trying to black all this out, so let me know. Got that one painted, those two painted. Gotta paint that one. Shit's dark. Shit do stink. Shit stink like hell. Got a good bit of it done. Nando, you like that seat?
Yeah. It's a little comfortable.
So we let it sit. It actually sat really well, actually. Damn. That looks like ass. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. So. But I mean, other than that, carpet's pretty much done. Damn. Actually looks pretty nice. So this is the carpet now. But I'll do a little extra. See how it turns out. So I shall keep y'all updated. So fully done the dash. Got a couple little spots I gotta finish, like right there along the trim. But all of this is done. Carpet's done. Back that's done. I am getting the metal door panels, so I ain't even worried about it. And I'm getting the metal back seat. And when I take this off, because I want to do like a carbon fiber one or something, and I'm getting the new center console, so but everything else is good to go. I just gotta do those and the air vent, and that's it. But other than that, it's all blacked out. So yeah, I got the cover. I did that white, so I'm gonna see how that looks. Hopefully it looks good, but we shall see. But the carpet and everything is now black, so it's nice. I like it. Now I gotta clean up, and I am getting the new seats. So, and I'm getting the paint deoxidized, so it'll finally be like that again. I'm getting the new seats, so I feel like those will look good. New steering wheel. And then I'm gonna paint all this up here. All that's gotta get painted. This is gonna get painted piece by piece. I'm just gonna cover everything. Cover this. Yeah. Get a new one of these. But I don't know. I like it. I feel like it looks good so far. Looks a lot better than it did. So painting the carpets too. Just gotta finish that last carpet. But I feel like with the black seats in here and everything, it's gonna look clean. God, it's so hard to breathe. It's kind of strong. Not as bad as I thought it'd be, but I gotta get a paint marker so I can finish these pieces right here. But, or I can just do that, fuck it. Just like, doesn't look really bad though. It looks straight, so. we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Progress of this little build. This is my daily, so can't do too much to it. But yeah, I got the seats fucking like that, but it doesn't matter. They're coming out anyways. Whoever needs a SC300 rear seat. But I don't know. Tell me what y'all want me to do. I'm just going piece by piece of this thing, make it look good again.